Lloyd Allen at lloydallen.org. Marriage and family coach, marriage and family therapist, helping couples around the world for the past 27 years. Now, every person wants to be happy. Every person wants to be successful. And in marriage, every person wants a happy marriage. Nobody got married to be miserable. Not at all. But why is it then that the overwhelming majority of people who are married are unhappy? You see, 53% of marriages end in divorce. Another 15% stay just for the kids. Another 5% stay for economic